Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me on another video. Y'all know that I'm still new to this crap. um
Don't tell me to breathe. I can't be. Yo, bring me a shot. Bring me a shot.
if you guys want to know how I put on this, because it's not my real hair. Yeah, I know you thought it was my real hair. Just stay tuned, continue watching the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all socials at Instagram Raina Sparkle, TikTok Raina Sparkle, Snapchat sparkle.skja, and you can also follow my business page at Sparkle Kingdom JA. Let's go into the video.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna
Hey guys, so today I am going to tell you guys a little bit about myself. I hope that you're hearing me clearly. So maybe you guys are wondering why I decided to start YouTube. I don't know. A long time I did start it. From about 2019, I make my channel. I had a base stuff from Wish. Like sometimes I know people didn't really use like Amazon and such. Well, not me. My other stuff from Wish. Some earphone. Not earphone. What am something name? The mic something. Put for your clothes. Mind you, I don't know nothing about no YouTube now. I want to start it at the time like I go to makeup and thing. My other backdrop, the thing that we put on the wall behind you. And yeah, some bag of stuff. I say yeah, I go to YouTube. That was 3 years ago. I do that. I order the stuff them. I post on YouTube so I get the stuff them. From that I'm not doing nothing else. But I just totally forget about YouTube. Well, I feel like now is the time for me to start back. Because maybe now I say, okay, when we get on your phone, we go to this. We always just have so much excuse about stuff. And then we don't do nothing.
boy, if you don't get
Hopefully I'm consistent on it. Anyways, this video is just me putting on a headband wig. Because a lot of persons always see me in this wig and ask me, say, how you put it on? Are you real ear? It fits you. It look like a real ear. You have comb in there. It have hook. This, that. So I just got show now how me do it. First me I catch up my ear. Remember just go get one scoochie or something like that.
So here she say she gonna tell them a little bit about herself. Alright, I wish see what she gonna do cause she
Catch up my ear, yo. No too pre my arm and him see me. So that is that. So you want to catch up your head in a one back way. Am I so ratchet? Sometimes I'm very sweet and I can be ratchet as well. So let me know which side I don't want to see. Or it's gonna be a mixture. So me just put some gel on my ear now. Put some gel on my ear to make it like slick a little bit. And we're gonna do some baby ear. So you just do that. I'm not do too much, I'm not do the most, so I do this. I just an easy ear style because my way is gonna work. most days. So quick and fast. Because most of the time when I wake up in the morning, I wake up at 5. I take a long time to get ready. So I don't want to pay attention to this seasoning. I just want to make sure that my ear look a little bit neatish. I don't do the most. I don't do the most in no baby ear and them there. I just do 2 soup and do that. I know the video that I did yesterday, I said I was at work. Yes, I was at work. But I was downstairs at the commissary getting a drink. I bought a drink. And then we go back upstairs. What I do, I am an ophthalmic assistant. That means that basically means I work at an eye clinic. With a doctor, I do most of them work for them. Most of the work before the patient goes to the doctor. No, Jesus, that is not a good explanation. So, blood pressure, them little thing there. You don't want the patient, you ask them the questions, why they come in to see the doctor, what they go under them eye, thick and thing. I'll talk more about it another time. So yeah, sometimes I do my baby hear them good, sometimes I just, I don't know what I do right now, I just do something. I'm actually going on the road. I'm gonna do a delivery. I have a business on Instagram, go follow. It's called Sparkle Kingdom JA. We sell outfits for females, accessories. So the baby ear now going good. Maybe because I do my ear on camera. I normally do my ear good, you know. I don't know why I not do good today. I'm gonna just touch up the one more time. Should I get on my own shoe because doing my ear in the camera, nah, cut it. I don't know what I do, you know. I just do something. I'm just doing something. I don't know, yeah, man. Anyways, I get the concept. I catch up your head. You do that. I go and put on the wig now. I don't know. When we see the end result, promise you, trust the process. Trust the process. This is the wig, guys. I wore the wig before. I wear it countless time. Well, let me not say that. I have the wig like 2 weeks now. So, this is the wig. It has a band with something for like hook it together. You have the comb them inside. You have 1 comb, 2 comb, and 1 down here. 14-inch deep wave curly wig. Sometimes I wear it puffy, sometimes I wet it up on something. But today I feel like I'm gonna wear it puffy. So I'm gonna put it on and I see how it look. I will know what to do to it after that. If I comb it out more, put soap water in there, make it look decent. But I will know. So I just bend this, I put it on my head like so. Like so. Right? Get the 2 band them. One me looks already. You get the 2 band them. You want tight one on the back of your head. Like that. Just tight. Just the process now, man. You do that now. You pull down the back. Over where you just tie. Over where you just tie, you pull on the back like so. Then you push under. I don't know if you can see, you know. You want to push under the hook. This hook. Push it underneath. Because you want to make sure the hair is secure. So, even if a girl come pull your head, you know, drop off too quick. Because it's bound to drop off, you know, if somebody pull it. Remember, say no glue down. So you want to secure it so you don't pull off too quick. Anyways, now you do your little, you know, with your hand. Me not too put product in my ear them. I don't know what you do to your ear, but me not put product in there. If you see the ear, you like the ear and something, and you what you put in there? Water I'm putting in the ear, just water alone, I swear. I mean not put too much water in there today because, as I said before, I like the puffy look more while. It gives me a more natural look, and it make me look like Indian. So people say. So I'm just comb out this little bit, or brush it out a little bit, make it get puffier. Yes, me say I like the puffiness. What am I do? You don't like it? Alright. So we'll go back into the toothbrush and soup the baby hairs. Again. I remember to do good for morning, swear. And you want just, you know, just brush it and put no more gel in there. You want your thing look natural as you pray. It's a natural look. Because when the people them see me, I swear, they must say, oh, Indian. Guys, that's basically it, you know. Me say it's not a lot, it's a quick hairstyle yeah, they do for go to work. In the morning, or quick flex down the road, you know. You have a wig you can't do install. You know? You just do this. You just do that. Yeah, makeup put on my clothes. I don't know makeup or not. I say something I will collect. I just put into snap now. I'm gonna see. You know? Tell me if you don't like it still.